Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director and Founder of Fairmont Equities. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you why I think CSL could be a $400 stock by the end of 2023. Firstly, I just need to let you know that we do have our own financial services license, so I am allowed to give advice, but this advice is general only. As we can see on this long-term chart, CSL has done fantastically well over the years. It's been a great Australian success story. However, the share price of CSL has underperformed since the COVID lows. The S&P ASX 200 is up nearly 50% in that time, but CSL shares are flat in comparison. In the past 2 years, the market has been distracted by other more shiny objects. Technology and then lithium have been the star performers. No one is looking at CSL, but it could surprise in 2023. What I've noticed with a 10-year chart of CSL is that it's forming a massive bullish pennant or flag formation. What this means is that the share price is consolidating that massive move that it had up until the start of 2020. And it's just a case of waiting for a breakout of this formation for the uptrend to resume. Now, classical technical analysis states that the bigger the consolidation, the bigger the breakout. It also states that the breakout rally is often the same size as the preceding rally. Now, this is a chart to show what I'm talking about. We had a massive rally in 2019 before this large consolidation that CSL is still in. Now, if we measure that move of 2019 and extrapolate it with a potential upside break, that could give us a 50% return. CSL is a growth stock. This means that it is sensitive to interest rates. Rising interest rates is bad for the CSL share price. Falling interest rates is very good for the share price. Now, we're at a stage at the moment where at some point the US Federal Reserve will stop raising rates, and then at some point they may well start cutting rates. Everybody is waiting for this pivot from the US Federal Reserve. The last time we had a pivot from the US Federal Reserve was at the end of 2018. They went from increasing rates to cutting rates. Now, let's have a look at the reaction to the CSL share price. We can see that from the start of 2019, after that pivot till the end of 2019, CSL rallied 50%. No one thought it could happen, but it did happen. And if we have a look at the move from the start of 2019 all the way up until its peak at the start of 2020, you're looking at a move greater than 50%. No one thought CSL could get from levels under $200 to levels above $300, but it did happen. At some point soon, central banks will stop raising interest rates. When this happens, you need to keep an eye on CSL. In my opinion, CSL could be one of the best risk-reward opportunities in 2023. If you're looking for more great ideas, sign up now to get our free newsletter. I will also send you our client research free for the next 8 weeks. And I'll also send you my 20-page guide on how I buy and sell stocks.